Okay, so hi guys.
Hi.
How are you?
Welcome back to Vegas Glam Moms.
Yes, welcome back. Anywho, so today we are gonna do some makeup.
Yeah.
We love doing skincare, but we love doing makeup, and we have gotten tons of requests for the drugstore makeup line. So we're gonna start with all of them, and we're just gonna keep it going. Because you guys really love that. So anywho,
Let's do it.
we are gonna start off with the LA Girl Pro Prep HD Color Correcting Face Primer. I'm not a big person for primers, but a lot of people are, so
I'm not either, so we shall see.
we shall see what it is. It is skin color, so oh, there you go. Primer is best used on.
We're already like
We're moisturized.
Moisturized, good to go.
Oh, right. If you have dry skin, do not put this on your face.
Well, I don't want to then.
No, I mean it's fine, but if you're severely dry,
So I'm just gonna use a little bit.
you're
in
not
targeted
really
areas.
you're not really severely dry like I am though.
Yeah.
Really?
I'm just gonna use mine in target areas. It does mattify because I can see it mattify in my pores, which is nice.
I mean, yeah. For the cost, I think it was $4. For the cost, it's fine.
Yeah.
So Sarah and I are going to be using the Pro Matte High Definition Longwear Matte Foundation. The reason why I did this, and I'm not trying to contradict myself, is everybody knows that I wear GLAM by Melanie Mills. It's a liquid highlighter all over my face.
Yeah.
That's why I can wear mattifying foundation, because the highlighter kind of shows through, right? So
I do not.
she does not.
I could. I mean, I have it. I just don't. But maybe I'll try that one day.
So Sarah and I are pretty good at being the same color. I'm a little bit tanner than her, so I'm gonna do a lot more contour, but we went with Bisque, so.
Normally, I do not wear a matte foundation,
No.
like ever, because I am so dry and flaky. So we shall see her and what she looks like.
I'm going to use a fluffy brush. Sarah is going to use the new, is that a beauty blender? Like actual beauty blender?
This is a sponge. It's from Real Technique. I'm obsessed with this. Obsessed. And it's wet and it's massive. And this is actually for the face and body, and that's why it's so good. But you could do a full face so fast. Watch.
And I'm using the MAC 128. It is a dual fiber brush. This side has more of the synthetic. This side has more of the natural. So, no.
Oh no, you're too dry.
I'm too dry.
I mean, it's just not okay.
It's not.
It's not.
It's not.
There's almost no saving it. Because it's just
So,
moving.
if you have baby skin, this will be the foundation for you, because it's, yeah.
So we're gonna use a different foundation right now, because we can't even add anything on top of this.
Yeah, no,
To
we can't.
recover.
Well, I'm just gonna.
No, you're not. You look crazy.
I do?
Yes, look
Well,
at it.
I know, but we just still have to put.
We can't push through. Sometimes you say, no girl, bye. Like she's not for you.
Yeah.
Sorry, but
Yeah.
no.
We have to keep it on.
Megan, you look wild.
You look wild.
I know. Close your eyes. Okay, move it fast. Okay, fine. We'll try. We're gonna try to push through.
We have to push through. I know you don't like it. Okay, so this is just, it's you can't keep fucking with it, because I'm gonna have a mental breakdown. So, but the Pro Conceal, I have used this.
The Pro Conceal is
These are
jamming.
fantastic.
Yeah.
So if you for your kit, awesome. It's great.
It's good on all skin tones.
It comes
and
with a little
types.
brush. You can
It
just
is
wipe
good.
it on. It's like that Tyra Banks, like we were all rooting for you.
Yeah, we really were.
You had one job.
I got way too much.
It's okay, just put it all over your face and maybe that'll.
I don't know if that's gonna
Maybe
help.
that'll help the situation. I'm gonna still use the 128 just to go in
I'm gonna go
and
in with the 287, like a really old one apparently. Jeez, for real. This is the struggle bus across the board. This is,
I mean, I feel the concealer kind of saved a little bit of dignity here.
like,
You guys, the Pro Conceal, fantastic. The foundation, not so much in our case. But like we've said before, if you have baby soft skin and are a little bit more oily, that would be the correct foundation.
like if you're 14,
Right.
which let's face it, the brand's called LA Girl, not
Yeah.
LA 35-year-old woman with dehydrated skin. Okay, let's just keep pushing through because you said that we had to.
Okay, so the LA Girl blush collection. So this is fun because you have your highlight, your bronzer, and 2 different blushes to choose from. So do you want to do a powder blush or do you want to do a liquid blush?
I would do the liquid.
Okay. We also got the LA Velvet Blush contour stick, but we don't contour with blush. That will go on the apples. So I'm going to be using the powder. Sarah's going to use the
The velvet
stick.
blush. But it's definitely just looking like I'm going in on top of powder.
Oh boy. Okay, look. I'm not mad at the highlight. I'm not. Okay? If it was on a different foundation, I mean, the highlight shows up really nice.
Yeah.
If it was on different foundation, it would look friggin' like fire, okay? It would be spectacular. But the fact that it's on a foundation that doesn't really match what's going on with my skin,
I mean, this is okay. But again, this is on top of this.
the payoff's
I'm gonna keep
good.
it to myself.
The payoff's good. Okay.
This is just too shiny for a blush.
See, and I like shiny blushes because I'm dehydrated. So
Well,
it's like,
yeah, but I mean, for it to sit on something that's so matte, it looks skippy. She's skipping. I
She's
mean, look at
skipping,
her. She's
yeah.
skipping.
yeah.
I really like the color. She's soft. I don't like it. I'm trying so hard, you guys.
I did my highlight with a MAC, so it's like, it's really great for highlighters, mineral powders, all that good stuff. So now, but I'm gonna go in and contour. The brush is slanted, so it makes contouring really good. I'm gonna go in with the bronzer. It seems to have heavy pigment.
I'm going in with the highlight now on top of my cream, wrapping it around the orbital bone, and I'm using a 109 brush for that. She's clean, so. I mean, the highlight's okay, but again.
Okay, so again, I really love this palette if it was on a different foundation. The bronzer is really quite nice in pigment.
Oh, it is.
It really is, and it's soft, and it's not skippy, as Sarah likes to.
It's like
put
she's
it.
just trying to run away.
Like, I mean,
Look at that. Look at that. It's just grabbed right here from that lovely foundation that will not move. But I do like this color.
and then I'm gonna go in with not the. Actually, I'm gonna do both blushes. Just
Screw
kind
it.
of
Just do it.
do that with it.
I'm gonna add more because why not? I already look wild. So. I mean, it's pretty, but because it's on top of all of the
Right.
craziness.
They're beautiful colors. So yes to this blush palette. I really,
But don't judge it based off of what we're doing and what we look like.
because we look crazy right now. So basically, I just did. It's like I just
I'm
did my
struggling.
makeup in a roller skating bathroom. Like that's exactly what just happened here. Like I used to maybe do my makeup like this when I was 10. I don't know.
I'm just gonna use my finger at this point to give it a little pop right here.
We would really love to I mean, we would take it a little bit more seriously if this was
I
going in
will.
our favor, but we will not because again, this is not. Okay, Okay, so anyways, everybody usually has a really good liquid pen. Doesn't matter what brand you shop for. So it's felt tip. Let's see what happens here.
I'm gonna go in and just do my lip now, and this is the Flat Velvet lipstick, matte and Hush. And then this is the blushing Perfect Precision lip liner, and I kind of I'm good with it. Like, it's pretty.
Yeah, I like your lip liners.
Yellow on me though.
I'm gonna go in with the Perfect Precision lip liner in Berry Wine, and then I'm gonna finish off with the LA Girl Matte in Gossip. You guys know how I am about my lipsticks, so yeah. I like this. Okay.
Lips approved for sure. We're filling this.
My curler. But now with my pink cheeks, it's like
It's a lot of color.
Shit.
You look like you are ready to go work, girl.
Do I?
Yeah. I'll curl up these lashes.
All right,
That
let's
will change
do
the look.
let's do the Double Drama Double D mascara. I'm not even gonna go for my eyebrows because let's not. Just so synthetic or plastic brush with the hairs. I do like a plastic brush sometimes. The thing about it is I wear false eyelashes every day, so mascara, it takes a lot for me to like a mascara just by itself. This one, no.
So let's just talk about it. Now let's be real. When you're buying drugstore makeup, it's not always going to be a hit.
No.
And a lot of the times it's going to be a miss, and this is one of them.
This is one of them.
And
And
I
not
think
in all areas.
No. I
There's-
think that just foundation is something that you should probably spend some money on because
Yes.
it is the quality that you definitely need to live your best life.
I think you should spend at least $30 to $60 on foundation if you can. If you can't, we're definitely gonna push
We're
through
gonna find a right one.
and buy an alternative because there are some great drugstore foundations out there that we love. So for now though, with the LA Girl, we're gonna stick with any of the lips and the
Yes.
liners from the LA Girl. You are golden, okay? And they only retail for about $4. So
pretty
the Pro Conceal retails for $5. This is jammin'. Put it in your kit if you're a makeup artist. If you're not, this is gonna be something that you could put in your purse because it has the attachable brush on it, all that good stuff. And then the LA Girl Blush Collection. These were super pigmented on the right, again, area, and
With the right foundation, you
correct.
will be fine.
We would be fine. So I actually really like these
I really
for
liked
summer,
that, yeah. So
and
we'll
this
try it
only
again.
retails for $8.
That's so good.
Yeah.
So
So.
good. But the primer we don't need in our lives.
If you're super oily, I would recommend it. If you're super oily, but if you're dry like us, as soon as we put it on, we knew.
yeah, then
We
was
knew that it was just gonna
But
be
we
bad.
pushed through,
Right.
and then I stopped.
Yeah. So
That's it. So
That's
now
it
I'm gonna
for
take
that.
it off with